Can you see yourself in the 2016 Toyota Tundra? This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.